Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a curved braid around the head, and I'm going to start by making a small little triangle part here on the side of the head. I'm going to clip this hair up out of my way, and now I'm going to go to make the other side of the triangle. To start, I am in the front section and we're going to braid everything that is around the triangle part that we just made. So I'm splitting this into 3 sections. I'm going to go under with my left strand and then under with my right. Under and under. Now I'm going to add a small piece of hair. With this braid, I'm only going to add to this left side as I go. I'm not going to add to any other piece. So I added to the left and now I'm just locking it in with my right. And if you notice, the direction that I'm holding the hair is back towards the back of the head because I want my braid to line up with this part right here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this and work this all the way around the head. Now that I've finished that section, I'm coming to this triangle portion here, and I'm just going to add a braid, and you can add whichever kind of braid you'd like. Really, I'm going to add a simple Dutch braid. So now I'm splitting the hair into 3 sections, making sure they're nice and even, and I'm going to start with my left going under and my right going under. Left and right. And I'm going to add hair now to this left section. And then I'm going to go under, and now I'm just going to add to the right side. And I'm going to keep doing this all the way down the head. Now that I've finished that braid, I'm going to just go through and fluff out this braid here on the right. And I'm just going to keep fluffing all the way down to the bottom. And then I'm gonna kind of form it into a swirl and just pin it up wherever I see necessary, wherever it's loose or wherever I want it to sit on the head. I'm just gonna put a bobby pin there. For this braid right here, I'm going to use this little tool. It's just a pull through. So you stick this end in, put the hair through the loop, and just pull it through. and then I'm gonna form it along the little swirl that I just made and pin this in as well. This is our finished product. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share.
There you go.